What is up, everybody? What is up? In this video today, we are going to do a quick little top-down analysis, sort of back testing session on Euro USD. And so, yeah, let's get started. So, first things first, um, here on Euro USD, I was looking at this monthly area right here, and you can see that I sent this in the chat a while ago on March 28th. I said, just watch for this monthly area right here, this circled area on Euro USD, right? So, so as we're watching Euro USD, we'll go to the 4 hour. Actually, we'll go to the daily. So this white line down here with the M is the monthly area, right? So as we're watching price, come down to that monthly area, right? We're watching and we're seeing structure break to the downside, which you know, it isn't a huge problem if you know where to look for potential entries, right? You can catch sells all the way down to that monthly area, right? But now just to get back on track and to make this video short and sweet, right? When price gets down into that area, remember on the monthly time frame that we were watching, that I told everybody to watch for, right? We're not just going to enter here on the monthly, right? We don't know um, that it's going to be a clean rejection like this all the time, right? So we don't enter. But what we can do is go down to smaller time frames, right? Your 4 hour, your 1 hour, and you can wait for possible signs of rejection, right? And if you're looking for a point of interest in a demand area, then obviously you want structure to break to the upside to confirm that bullishness, right? And if you're looking at points of interest in a supply area, then you obviously want price to break to the downside for that retracement to come back and then you sell, right? That's pretty simple stuff. Okay, so looking at this zone right here, we have the before picture, right? The before setup. So what we see is this monthly area, right? With this M, we see this monthly area. Now, price did dip under this monthly area just a little bit, but that's okay because we didn't just enter here. There was no confirmations of buying in this area. Um, so what do we see next when price gets down into that area? Right, we created a low and then a lower high, right, and then essentially a lower low right here. But what is happening in this lower low right here, right? What is happening? There's liquidity that got captured in this area, and then price took off to the upside, breaking structure right here to the left, right? Now, that doesn't fully confirm that we're bullish yet, but there were really good opportunities to buy in this area, down there last candle, there's inefficiency in this area, right? There were really good opportunities to buy there, but that's not the setup that we were looking for. So what happens next, right? We dance around this monthly area, this monthly zone for a couple days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And on Thursday, we see this huge spike up to the upside, this huge move to the upside. And what does this move do? what does this move tell us? Well, we have finally a break of structure that got created, and we've finally rejected strongly away from that monthly area, right? So what do? We sit and wait patiently, right? We wait for price to come back here, right? We already have directional bias, in mind now, right? We got to a strong demand zone. We broke structure to the upside after, rejecting from that zone, right? Our confirmations are lining up, telling us, you know, that we could be potential buyers in this market. So what does price do? It comes around, wicks around a little bit in this area, and this is what it looks like after, right? So this has gone up, I do believe, at least over 250 pips. Okay, around 350 pips, excuse me. So this has gone up around 350 pips from that area, but this was the before right here, and this was after, right? And there were so many opportunities for you to be a buyer in this market, here, here, anywhere in here really, here, 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 right? And I'm not going to get into detail on where or when to buy on these areas, but my whole point of this video is if you have a higher time frame point of interest like this monthly area on Euro USD, and you start to see breaks of structure to the upside and that shift in sentiment, that shift in price, right? Learn to be patient and know when to capitalize on these trades, right? Because as you see right here, these types of trades can pay big money, okay? So and you can do this on any time frame, right? Say you have say you're a intraday um trader and you have a 4 hour point of interest, right? Well, in this area right here, right, on the lower time frame for say, you see how price is going down here. Well, this has to shift bullish eventually, right? So any time frame, you can use this patience and this type of trading to capitalize on moves after you already know the direction, right? So hope you guys got some insight. Hope some of the students made some money from this monthly area that I posted. And yeah, like it's just it after you guys get directional bias down, right? Things will just start to click, and I promise things will get a lot more simple in these markets. I promise. But yeah, like I said, if you guys got any insight, make sure to give me a like, subscribe, comment down below what you might have learned, what you liked, any future ideas that you might think of for me to make in the future. I appreciate it. I appreciate the comments and all the love and support. Thank you guys. And until next time, I will see you guys later and peace out.